Want to know best 8 new WhatsApp feature? Watch this video. First, open WhatsApp. The first new feature is event planning tool. Just open any chat and tap the attachment icon. Select event. Now fill in the event name, description, date, and the end time. You can also add a location and set up a call link for virtual events. Hit the send button. This event will be shared in the chat for everyone to stay updated. The second new feature is draft messages. Ever typed the message and got distracted before sending it? Now chat with unsent messages are marked with a draft label. Moreover, WhatsApp now offers a smart chat organization tools like unread favorites and group. Plus, you can create your own custom list by tapping on the plus icon and entering the list name and select the people you want to add. In case if you have too many unread messages, you can clear your notification instantly without having to open each chat one by one. To do this, click on the three-dot icon and select Read All. Additionally, you can also silence the unknown caller. Again, click on the three-dot icon, then select Settings from the menu. Likewise, select Privacy. Scroll down and click on Calls option. Here, toggle the switch beside Silence Unknown Caller. This will automatically silence call from the number that are not in your contacts. Now you can pin important messages within any chat. Just open any chat and long press a message. Then hit the three-dot icon and select Pin. Moreover, you can lock chat for extra privacy. Click on the profile picture at the top of the screen. Moreover, scroll down and toggle the switch beside the lock chat. A confirmation prompt will appear. Hit Continue and the chat will be locked. The next feature is AI background for video calls. You can now blur your background or choose AI-generated backgrounds to keep distraction out of frame. That's it. I hope this video helped.